Good evening, friends. Welcome to another video of Market Profile Engineer. So, as always, I tell this is just an educational video wherein I am recording my emotions and mindset while trading. So, this was a long-term activity record which indicated that sellers are dominant and the volume was higher, value area placement was higher, and in this scenario, trend is unclear. So, we need to wait for confirmation. That is what Market Profile Mind Over Market insists us. So, today I was expecting for a confirmation to take a trade. So market opened inside the value area. So as per market profile structure, it needs to be either a neutral day or a normal day or a non-trend day. But seeing the IB, it was in a medium range. That is around 160 points was there. So it is considered as a medium range. So when IB is medium range, normally last days we got a normal variation day. So when IB is in medium, there should be two scenarios. But it was stuck in my mind. It will be a normal variation day. So that was a mistake from my side. So today's trade stop loss was hit and minimum loss I need to occur. So this was the um, opening type. It was inside the value area. So we need to expect for a normal or a neutral kind of a day. So here there is a mistake. Actually, it is a seller dominant day and the trend was unclear. So this was a criteria which I was planning. That is once IB breaks to the downward direction, I need to take a trade with the swing high as a stop loss. So I ended, but unfortunately here you can see C period, there was a entry. Even GHI was in profit, but later on it hit the stop loss. So this trade also I posted in the YouTube as a short video. So this was a scenario. Actually, when it is a medium kind of a day, either it will be a normal variation day or a neutral day. So this concept was not clear in my mind. So I was expecting as a normal variation day. So so when IB is medium, we need to see where the opening is. If the opening is inside the value area, then definitely it will be a neutral kind of a day. So this should be clear in our mind. So next time we will see to it. This time what I did, I trailed the stop loss, so my loss was minimum. So anyway, it was a good trade for me, considering the fact that I was disciplined and I traded in one quantity. I traded as per strategy. So here I have already told that I need to revise the medium IB range day when it is opening inside the value area. I need to expect for a neutral day. So thank you. And I can show how I record my um, activity, long-term activity. This is how I do a long-term activity recording. So this is the fifth day trade. If we see rotation factor, it was seller dominated day. Range extension, it was towards the bottom side. So sellers were dominant. Tail was showing in sellers area. And buying composite, if you see, that is also seller. So overall, it was a seller dominated day. And the value area, this volume, if we see, it is lower and value area was placed overlapping towards lower. So in this case, next day we need to consider that trend is slowing and balancing. That is the downward trend is slowing and balancing. So we need a confirmation. That's all from my side. Thank you.